how do you get a pension in America as a bartender or anyone in the service industry if your salary is pretty much 100% tips? And how do you get a loan or have rights as an employee? Rights as an employee. Oh, that's a funny one. No, no, no. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. There are rights. You do have rights as an employee. It just depends on what state you're in. Different states have different laws, different rights, and things like that. How do you get a pension? There is definitely zero pension. That is a fact. There is no pension. If you want to have a pension, you could do like your own savings account. There's like IRAs and stuff like that. But as far as like a pension just from working as a bartender, there will never be a pension for you from working as a bartender. You will have to have saved up enough money over the years to pay for your own retirement, or you will just have to work until the day you leave this earth. And as far as getting a loan, now that is the tricky part with bartending or a job that you receive primarily tips, because you have to be able to prove your income. So some people, not me, definitely not me or anyone that I've ever known, some people don't claim all of their cash tips because it's very hard for you to prove the cash tips. And where that gets you in trouble, aside from not paying taxes, you should always pay your taxes, is that when you go to get a loan, you can't tell the bank, hey, I make $6,000 a month. And they're going to be like, well, your paycheck, look, you see the paycheck. The paycheck says that you make $4.50 and that is $130 a week. Like, what? That's impossible. So when they're looking for collateral and, like what you have as far as getting a loan, it's really tough. So you have to either start really, really, really claiming everything and make sure everything is written down and have records, or it's going to be really tough to get a loan. So a lot of bartenders and servers and tipped employees of America, a lot of people in America in general, but it makes it really hard for you to get loans for houses, cars, and that's why a lot of them deal in cash. So it's kind of sad to think about it, but that's just the facts.